Is your child still wetting the bed? It might not be a behavioral problem. It might be a breathing one. When a child's airway is restricted during their sleep, their brain doesn't get enough oxygen. The brain becomes so focused on survival that it stops sending the signals that normally wake a child up to use the bathroom. Bedwetting is one of the most overlooked signs of a pediatric airway issue, and it's something we screen for at Anchor Orthodontics. If your child snores, sleeps with their mouth open, or is still wetting the bed past the age of 5, bring them in. We can help.